Welcome to your No Reformer Tendon Stretch tutorial. For today, all you'll need is a box, chair, or ledge that can support your weight and a pair of socks. Now let's get started. So first things first is we're gonna make your way to the box. I want you to sit on the very edge of the box. Hands are gonna be down by your side with your fingertips facing forward. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna practice our dips first. So we're gonna press down through our hands, lift our hips, keeping them close to the edge of your chair or box. We're gonna bend the elbows, lower the hips down to the floor, then exhale as you squeeze through your triceps and lift yourself back up. Now while you're here, as you lift up, imagine you're tucking your belly button up underneath your ribs. So we're engaging our core. Let's do two more here. Last one. And all the way down. Good. And you can sit back for a second, shake out your wrist if you're feeling your wrist there. From here, we're gonna scoot forward a good bit so that you can lean back onto the chair box. You want the box to hit you right below your shoulder blades. Now, we're gonna lift up through our chest. Again, engage our core, squeeze your legs together. We're gonna come into a leg lift now, working our lower abs. So when you're ready, big breath in. Exhale, lift your legs up and lower down. Lift up and lower. Again, really squeeze your heels and inner thighs together here. Let's go. 3. Try to control your legs through the entire range of motion. 2. And 1. Good. All right, from there, we're gonna scoot back towards the box. Hands are gonna come back onto the box or ledge. We're gonna lift all the way up here. And we're gonna do a reverse shoulder shrug. So I want you to let your shoulders pull up by your ears and then press down through your hands. Depress those shoulders down. So we're working through our trap here, helping us get that shoulder depression that's needed to lift the hips up over the edge of the box. Last one, and all the way down. Good. Again, you can shake out your hands here for a moment. We're gonna go back into our leg lift, really working on engaging through those lower abs. Let's again scoot forward and then lean back. Squeeze the inner thighs together. Big inhale here. On your exhale, lift those legs up. Think about trying to lift your toes up at least even with your eyes. Two more. 2 and 1. Excellent. All right, last move we're gonna work before we go into our first tendon stretch is I want you to scoot back against the box. We're gonna lean forward this time, coming into that deep forward fold. Gaze down towards your knees. I want you to bring your hands underneath your shoulders. Take a nice full inhale here. On your exhale, press down through your hands, lift those hips and lower. Press down and lower. If you need, you could use yoga blocks underneath your hands to help you lift up. But really, again, contract your abdominals to hold you in that fold so that you can lift your hips. Last one. And all the way down. All right. So, tendon stretch is essentially all those moves mixed together. Where we're going to start is back up, seated on the box. Legs nice and long, squeezing our inner thighs. Now, we're gonna press down through our hands and we're gonna try and lift all the way up first, coming to that nice deep forward fold like we were just practicing. Then we're gonna lower back down, coming into our rest position. So when you're ready, hands down, nice big inhale, depress those shoulder blades, scoop the belly, start to lift yourself up as you fold forward. And with control, especially on this part, press down through your hands, keep those legs nice and straight as you come back down. Big inhale, exhale, squeeze those abs in as you fold forward, and slowly rock the hips back and lower back down. Good. Let's try 2 more there. Gaze down towards the toes. Last one. And come all the way back down. You can sit down on the edge of the box. Give your hands a little shake. This is your wrist relief position. This can bother a lot of people's wrists doing this because it's a lot of weight we're putting into our arms. So if you need to take a break, take a break. All right, so we're gonna do one more variation of that. We're gonna add in those tricep dips that we started with. So when you're ready, again, legs nice and long, hands down by your side. Take a nice deep breath in. We're gonna lift, coming into our forward fold here. And then as we lower back down, we're gonna bring our hips past the edge of the box and do 3 dips. 3, 2, 1. Squeeze those abs in as you lift and fold forward. And then all the way back. 3 dips again. 3, 2, 1. Squeeze the abs in, lifting up and folding. 3, 2, 1. Lift. Woo. My abs and my arms are feeling this. 3, 2, 1. Squeeze those slow abs in as you come forward. It's getting harder to get the hips up and go into that fold. So if you need to take a break, take a break. That's our last one. Last one here. Woo. And all the way up. All right, so that is, again, just a quick little tutorial on how I like to do tendon stretch using the box instead of being on the reformer. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below. If you learned anything, or if you like this video, please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.